Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Hope you had a great weekend. It's Monday, so let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's draw this week's channel shout out. One stuck in the bottom. Put one away. I've been trying to just do one a week, so we have, oh cool, SubArcticWolf Outdoors and Tools. My brother Ken up there in where does he live? Ontario, Canada. Guys, he said so in many videos, and I'm just spacing where he said. Anyway, really cool guy, one of my favorite channels. I really dig his content. Well, alrighty, there we go. That's this week's channel shout out. All the links will be down in the description, plus there'll be end cards for everybody for the channel I mentioned, plus the playlist for this series. Just doing shout outs because, you know, when I was starting out, people gave me shout outs and it really helped my channel, so that's my goal. And I do always appreciate you watching, and as always, I do tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits, who we appreciate, to our veterans, which we greatly appreciate. And let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. It should be 0, so 22 a day, no more. As always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one, and have a great week.